The aspiration of the federal government, as Minister of Health Osinbajo says, is to reach 100 million Nigerians with basic healthcare services. And the minister, while briefing the National Executive Council at its meeting, pleads for the timely release of counterpart funding for this purpose.
Despite this progress, there is work to be done to sustain the current gains and stop transmission of circulating vaccine-derived polio virus. Yellow fever, measles, and meningitis campaigns will take place in 28 states during this year, and the others will be in 2020.
Despite the country's progress in RI and polio, other core primary healthcare center indices have been stagnated, and we are on track to achieve Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, by 2030. However, so far, no state in Nigeria has been able to achieve fully activated primary healthcare centers in accordance with the set criteria.
One of the areas of focus by the meeting was NNPC's efforts on addressing the diversion and wrong tripping of petroleum products, particularly PMS. This is regarded as presenting a significant threat to local regional economy and national security and stability.
Forms of illicit transfer of petroleum products, called ITPP, are fueled in most cases by a combination of two or more of the following. One, access to illegal markets. Two, high concentration of filling stations at border towns or areas.
As Governor Abiodun says, Council is considering inviting the private sector to provide their own perspective in curbing these illegal activities. And on other matters,
the governors commended the Presidential Enabling Business Environment Council, called PBEX team, for the recent improvement of ranking of Nigeria in the World Bank Ease of Doing Business ranking 2020.
For the excess crude account, the balance is $324,035,695 For the stabilization fund account, the balance as at 22nd of October 2019 is 28,560,710,624 naira and 55 kobo. For the Natural Resource Development Fund, the balance is 70,691,826 naira, 826,511 naira and 84 cents.
The Ministry of Finance, Budget and National Planning presents to the Council the status on the National Budget Loan Support Facility to the states. So far, deductions has been made for the month of September and October, with the revised repayment years now to 30 years from 20 years at 9% interest rate. The meeting, well attended by members, was presided over by Vice President Yemi Osinbajo. In the State House, Jide Onifade, NT News.